I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Ito na yun mga karajil, ano. Hindi na ako ni makakamove on dito at ito na nga. Ito na, nakapiring na sila dito. Lahat ng mga ano nakapiring na.
Ibang sound. Okay, pwede mag-hiyaw pero bawal mag-create ng ibang sound. Para marinig nila yung kapalos nila. Okay, ready! Adjust pa? Adjust pa kayo, angels?
Palo!
Okay.
Ayan na, at meron na nga silang mga piring lahat, ano. At makikita natin kung ano yung mga reaction nila dito, ano. At may hahanapin nila yung kanilang mga partner. At dito talaga hindi ako makamove on dito mga karajil, ano. So, panoorin natin.
Okay na ba? Na-check na natin? Okay. Parang kita ni kami nga. Shuffle natin. Shuffle natin. Shuffle. Uy, grabe mo. Makapunta na yung siya. Shuffle. Okay. Shuffle tayo. Shuffle.
Ayan, si Coach Papadan, may mga piring na sila. Ayan, kitang-kita si Coach sa likod. Sa likod kasi, tapos si Papadan nasa harap. Kaya pare-pareho kasi yung kanilang mga katawan. Kaya, hindi makita ng kanilang mga partner agad. So, tuloy natin ang mga kapaan nila.
Okay, ready?
Buksan na yung pinto.
Just magkakaroon ko kayo sulat na baka masampal na kayo, hindi pa kayo nag-aalam. Okay. Bawal magdaya. Walang dayaan. Nakawala ng everything. Okay. Ready? Shuffle natin, shuffle. Shuffle natin. Ayan. Atras pa kayo girls. Atras pa. Sige, atras pa. Ayan. Okay. Papatay natin ang sounds and then kanya-kanyang tunog. Okay, ready? In 3, find your partner or collab team in 3, 2, 1, go!
Ay, ang galing. Ang galing ni Grace at saka ni Norman. Pag talaga, kitang-kita talaga. Kuhang-kuha agad ni Grace itong si Norman. Kaya, hindi talagang sila talaga ang mananalo. Paglakad dala, dire-diretso oh. So, tuloy natin. Sila na ang nanalo. Ayan, makikita niyo si Coach. Ang kanyang naman, si Ingkit. Si Ingkit naman yung nahawakan niya. At si Mang Jun. At si Angelica. Si Angelica palang nakahanap. Mas Angelica ba to? Ayun. Hindi. Tinanggal na agad ni Coach yung kanyang akala niya si Angie. Yung kanyang nahawakan, hindi pala. Andun pa si Angie, naglalakad pa siya dun. Inahanap niya si Coach. Wala na.
Dapat mahanap niyo, bawal tanggalin ang piring. Pag hindi ba tanggalin ang piring, pag hindi
Kinuha na agad ni Coach si Angie. Kinuha agad. So, ayan, tuloy.
kailangan mahanap din ang kabaris niyo.
Nandaya kami. Bakit? Walang kami. Tatakbo kami doon. Wala ka. Sino yan?
Ay, sabay. Sabay pala na ni Papa Dan, si Joy, at saka si Pung. Ayun, si Pung na lang na. Hindi ako makatawan dito si Amo.
You are the last. Ayun na. And go.
Sino na una kayo rin? Normace.
Dati ako bulag mo na. Super. Sobra yan. Magaling din. At ang ating second ay Melbrand. Pangatlo ang FC. Ayan, nasa ng Melbrand? Brad? Melka? Melka, ayan. Melka, kumusta naman? Paano hinahanap ang isa't isa? Alam mo na.
Sumali ako na.
Diba? Ito naman, ang EDSI. Ayan, bakit medyo na-late kayo? Okay, ikaw, anong nagpanghirap dun sa challenge? Ano nagbangga ka? Sino ang nagbangga dito? Mahirap sa video. Gusto mong tanongin yung ano yung Danjoy? 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 Galing ka dito? At yung nasaan si Pong? Nasaan si Pong? Pong, ayun. Hindi na kayo magkapalitan, no? Tapos, alam na nakakatawa, nung pagbukas nito ni Dan, tinagaw niya na halika dito. Sa mga nagtingin kayo. Ito naman, kung kaya kanino lumagapit. Hindi mo dapat hinanap po ang amoy niya. Diba? Pag-inan kayo.
Mga kanila?
Kanila. Dapat hinanap mo naman yung muscle. Mahina. Ha? Ito last. Tanongin naman natin, bakit hindi niya nahanap ang isa't isa? I mean, anong nagpanghirap? Alam nga, tahimik. Ikaw, kumusta naman? Masaya naman yung challenge? Nag-enjoy ka naman? Kailangan mag-work pa ng challenge. Palakpakan naman natin ang bawat sa mga kaibigan. Sayang, hindi ka nasali. Hindi natin ang mag-premyo itong tatlo. Pagkasabi ko ng go, mag-create na kayo ng sound ninyo para mahanap niyo yung kapares nyo. Papatayin natin ang sounds and then kanya-kanyang tunog. Okay, ready? In 3, find your partner or collab team in 3, 2, 1, go!